Hi there guys, you can see here that we have 14,500 balance, right? That is a balance that we have, and we made 33,200 USD, guys. You guys can see. So we basically grew this account. We're gonna show you how we did it. It's a method called swinging and scalp trading. We're gonna show you guys how to do that. We're gonna give you a full lesson on how to do that as well, and show you how we did that inside this specific video. Stay tuned and make sure guys you actually check out the entire video. You can see all we do is trading. We're able to take 14 to 33, which gets to 47 currently, which is how much you can get when you close all these trades, guys. So be sure to check out the whole video. Let's go. Bruh, scammers are too much now. Scammers are too much, bro. You know what this guy is doing? What I think he's doing is, I think he has a video chat called on the side, and he has the other phone on the side, pretending like it's me, impersonating me, and scamming people. Bro, scammers are becoming smarter. Scammers are too much. Please share this video and save a life. Look at this guy, bro. He scammed people. How many people has he scammed? This woman came to me crying to me because of the scammers. Please, I beg you, share this video and make sure people don't get scammed anymore. It's too much, guys. It's too much. Aye.
We don't do that here.
Welcome once again to another video, guys. FS Got Your Mentors. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And mostly, guys, don't forget to actually share this video and help a lot of people who have been scammed in our name. So what we do, guys, in this video, we're gonna show you how to both scalp and sweep. We're gonna show you in this video, guys, how to do that. And don't forget, guys, the reason I'm also here, I'm actually trying to hide my number plate because you never know me. You don't trust anyone. Okay, let's go check out the lesson, guys. Let's go. Hi there guys, I'm currently trading Nasdaq. As you can see, this is my USD account. So I'm currently running on 10k USD profits. You're probably wondering why do I have losses and profits at the same time. So let's go to the chart for you to understand that. I usually analyze on the trading view. I only copy my analysis from my trading view in my MT4 app. So as you can see, guys, I've been entering buys from the bottom. I'm planning to basically swing this trade up until this level right here. Let me show you right here on my analysis. As you can see right here, guys, we do have Nasdaq analysis, and currently we are in a bearish trend, in a bullish trend to break outside. So I've been entering from the bottom here, and I've entered a lot of trades. I'm planning to swing up until this level here, as is the most highest level in terms of reversals. So as you can see, guys, here on my phone, it's the same thing. That is where it's my highest level of reversals. As you can see, guys, I've been entering entries. So the reason I've been profits now is because these are swing entries, guys. I'm planning to swing this trade up until this point right there. I've been entering trades from the bottom, planning to exit here at the top and kill the whole setup as a swing Nasdaq buy. Here's the account, guys. So we're gonna show you guys on how the swing trade played around and where it's gonna end with us. Okay, guys, if it's got your mentor, let's go. Hi there, guys. As you can see, the market has respected the analysis, guys. If you remember, I showed you these trades. Now let's check out the progress. As you can see, let me show you. I'll show you my analysis after on my trading view. I'm only showing you the overview on my phone. So as you see, guys, I made sure I analyzed on my trading view, and then after I copy what I analyzed on my trading view on my MT4 app, because I want to trade. We are already trading since the bottom. We've been swinging these trades. We've been entering swing trades. We want to basically swing it up until the end. Let me show you how long we want to hold our trades. Okay, I want to show you that this was my confirmation of a breakage of this trend. We had a small bullish trend towards the upside here, which proved to be a push towards the resistance and broke outside. Now waiting for a retest and then a continuation towards the upside. So basically what we're waiting for is for the market to continue, hit the top, come give us a retest, and basically play around up until it reaches the top. That's how we anticipate our Nasdaq buys, guys. As you can see, I have already even entered stop loss above entry for all this trade at the bottom. I have stop loss above entry, and the current one, this is its TP. On some trades, I'm gonna swing some, I'm gonna scalp some. This is the stop loss for this entry too if the market goes below. So basically, guys, this is what I did. I basically placed my stop loss at this point because I know from here we'll be now looking for sells towards the downside. So if the market fails to break above and continue and comes below, I will now know that I'm looking for selling opportunities. Hence, I have a stop loss above entry and a stop loss for this current entry. This is what we have at the moment, guys. Hoping to swing up until the top right there, guys. Hoping to swing up until the top right there. Okay, yeah, hopefully guys stay tuned. Let's do the most. What we have in store for you, it's amazing, it's crazy, guys. Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Before I continue, I'd first like to thank you guys for reaching this far into the video, and we appreciate the love and support. So now we're about to start our lesson, guys. So today's lesson is FSGO scalping and swinging approach. Okay, I'll be basically teaching you guys on how to understand and how to apply scalping and swinging, and where do you specifically fall at as a trader. All right, so without any further waste of time, guys, let's get started. First, we're starting with scalping and swinging trading overview. So right here, guys, I'll basically start by giving you guys an overview of what I'll be talking about, meaning that I'll be giving you guys a scope of what to expect when it comes to scalping and swinging. Okay, so let's start, guys. Many people participate in the forex markets, some as investors and others as traders. Investing is approached with a long-term view in mind. You plan your success, guys. What I mean here, guys, is that when it comes to investing traders, they approach trading in a long-term perspective. They are also investing their efforts, investing their assets, investing their time. It's basically knowing that it's going to be a journey, okay? And trading, meanwhile, moves to pocket gains on a regular basis. You can do both if you master one of them first. Hence, I said you plan your success. So you're probably wondering, what do I mean when I say trading, meanwhile, moves to pocket gains on a regular basis? When you are trading, guys, you have to know there's time to trade and time not to trade. All right, so when you're trading, that's when you are regularly gaining, and then the moment you stop, that's when it stops too. So it's like it's your efforts. Let's continue. You can do both if you master one of them. Hence, I said you plan your success. The most popular trading strategies include day trading, swing trading, and scalp trading. Choosing a style which suits your own trading approach is essential for your long-term success. Why do I say this, guys? Because some people don't understand what kind of traders they are. And guys, do understand, you don't choose which trader you become. You have already chosen. By the way you're going to approach the market, the way you're going to view the market will tell you, are you a swing trader, are you a scalp trader, or are you a day trader? However, nothing is saying that you can't be all of them. So let's continue with the slides, guys. Introduction to scalping and swing trading. So basically, guys, this is introduction into how to understand scalping and how to differentiate it from swinging. Okay, so let's start. Scalping and swing trading are two of the most popular short to medium term investing strategies used by traders. Why am I saying this, guys? A lot of people who are trading at this time and age, they are either scalping or swinging. Day trading is also still part of it, but not as famous. Okay, so let's continue. Scalping involves making controlled and limited trades daily, in which positions are approached with proper risk management. Sometimes you can only hold trades for a few minutes. As such, profits are small, but the risk is also reduced. Okay, meaning that, guys, when you enter trades as a scalper, you have to limit how many trades you take, and you have to approach the market with proper risk management. And yes, you can hold your trades, however, we cannot hold them for a very long time. Okay, let's continue. Only hold trades when the market is respecting your trading setups together with your trading strategy. That gives you leverage over the market. So the reason you are now holding trades as a scalper, you're only holding winners. You're only holding trades that are in profits, trades that are respecting your setups or your strategy. That is when you hold a scalping trade. Okay, do understand, guys, this is just an introduction. I'll be going deeper as we continue with the lesson. All right, let's continue. Swing trading uses technical analysis and mastering chart analyzing skills that you need to follow in order to profit off trends and trading setups in the market. So basically what I mean here, guys, is that in swing trading, guys, you're going to need to respect a lot of technical analysis in terms of overall setups. When you're scalping, you'll be only going in deeper and scalping small movements. All right, so let's continue with the slides, guys. First, I'll start by explaining what is scalp trading. How to understand scalp trading, guys. Okay, scalp trading is a method of trading in which traders attempt to make profits on small price changes. Scalpers work quickly and sometimes trades are made within minutes or even seconds. However, scalp traders open and close positions within a day, meaning that you can hold your position up until the whole day. If it passes the day, then that should let you know that your entry has now become a swing trade. Alright, what do I mean when I say scalp trading is a method of which traders attempt to make profits on small price changes? This is what I mean. Let me choose a pen. Okay, let's say for instance guys, this is our bullish trend, right? Let's say this is our bullish trend, and in our bullish trend guys, the market is ranging in this manner. It's ranging towards the downside, also ranging towards the upside, so forth and so on. And then you would then see that we have a bearish trend inside our bullish trend, and another bullish trend inside of our bullish trend, and lastly a bearish trend. As a scalper, your aim will be only limiting yourself to entering such small movements from here up until here. Buy from here and you exit here. You enter a sell from here, you exit here, so forth, so on guys. When you see such opportunities to hold a trade from this point to that point, just know that is a swing trade guys. A scalper enters at the bottom but exits at the nearest high. The nearest high is where you exit because you don't hold your positions for a long time. Hence, it's called scalp trading. Alright, so let's continue guys. Scalp trading involves entering multiple positions for a short duration. Each can last between a few seconds and a few minutes or even a day to profit from price movement. What do I mean by this guys? As you can see right here guys, when you are scalping, you have to make sure that you stack on trades guys. But however, you don't just enter more trades, you multiply your positions only if you're in profits guys. But this method of basically multiplying your positions, you're actually playing it safe. Instead of having one entry of like loss size 1, when you have 0.10s, you are able to know which trade to close as a swing, which trade to close as a scalp, and basically learn how to go about your trades. All right, it's important for you guys to basically have small loss sizes and multiple entries to help you use proper risk management. Okay, let's continue. It may limit your profit but also helps by reducing your risks from long-term exposure. So what this means is when you hold your positions for a short time, you also get to be in the safe side when it comes to long-term exposure. You do know that when you enter today, you exit your trades today. All right guys, so let's continue. Scalpers are the ones who dedicate time, act swiftly, and trade with focus. Exactly guys, as a scalper you need to be more focused. You need to focus on the market, on the small price range, so that you finish trading within a day. Let's go to the next slide. Continuation of scalping guys. Scalping traders also do not hold their positions overnight because of the added risk of not knowing if prices would change dramatically while they sleep. The holding period of their trades may range from minutes to hours. Scalp traders tend to wait for good trading opportunities. This style of trading involves intense concentration from the trader, as positions must be closely monitored on price charts for a profitable journey. Exactly what I said guys. When you are a scalper, you need to be focused. You need to have concentration, intense concentration guys. Why? Because you need to know when to enter and when to exit. For example, let me give you an example. This is our support, and then this is our resistance. And having our support and resistance guys, we can know that from this point we're expecting a bullish movement towards the upside, and from this point here we're expecting a bearish movement towards the downside. So as a scalper guys, entering a buy in a bullish setup is profitable, is advisable, because overall you can go back into profits. However, it's also important for a scalper to know that when you enter your buy, this is where you are choosing to exit. Why? Because if the trades hold you longer and reverses back, maybe can also go back into losses, you cannot hold this for more than a day. That means you're going to have to close it. So it's important for you to know that when it reaches the top, you are also there and watching the market for you to actually close the entry. That's only if you're trading manually. Use stop loss and take profit. That helps you to close your entries automatically if you're not watching or facing the chart. Alright, so as you see guys, it's important for a scalper to know when to enter and where to exit. If you enter buys here, you have to know you have to exit buys there. Alright, as you know guys, sometimes the reason I'm doing too much lines is that the market likes to have spikes. When we drawing trends guys, don't try to wait for the market to completely respect your setup guys. We are basically anticipating the market to range in this manner. All right, anyways, let's continue to the next one guys. That is all for scalp trading guys. As a scalper, you have to know when to enter and know when to exit. You have to use proper risk management. You have to use multiple positions. And remember, guys, don't hold your trades overnight if you are scalping trades, guys. It's important for you guys to have concentration and make sure you watch the market when and before it reverses. All right? Yeah. So let's go to the next slide. So now we are going to explain swing trading, guys. How to understand swing trading. Swing traders hold their positions for a few days, but not more than a week. Identifying and riding on trends early is the central objective of this trading style, and the profit objective tends to be set higher than that of scalping traders, since the swing trader is exposed to more profits by holding out for a few days. There is a better chance of capturing a larger price move. Alright, guys, hopefully you understand what it means. What this means is that, guys, as swing traders, our central point or our central objective is to know that when we're using this style, we must find where the market starts in a setup, guys. You must find a perfect setup, not always perfect setup, but you must find the bottom part or the beginning part of setups so that you can also cater for the whole movement. As you remember, guys, I actually gave you an example of a bullish channel. Remember when I was explaining scalping trading, I was saying that if the market ranges in this manner, guys, in this manner, we know that we have trends in here. We have our scalping trends there. So when we are trading swing trading, guys, we have to understand that the central objective is that if you catch a buy at the bottom of a bullish trend, you can actually hold your buy up until the top of the overall bullish trend, guys. You can hold the buy from where it starts up until where it ends, which gives you guys enough opportunity to cater for the whole move. Do understand, if you're scalping, you're gonna have to enter below and exit here at the top, which gives you a small range. Let's continue. Unlike the scalp trader, the swing trader has to endure overnight risk. As a swing trader, you do have to understand that if you're holding buys and you're expecting them to reach the top, you have to know that it's going to take pretty long for it to get there. Swing traders also can be caught in market gaps. They can either go in your favor or against your favor. Be smart, guys. When you're a swing trader, also apply proper risk management. Okay, let's continue. Swing trading requires much less minute-to-minute monitoring of the market. This type of trading is generally preferred by people who hold day jobs or have daily busy errands that make it difficult for them to make time to check their trades and monitor like scalping traders. So swing traders basically, guys, would be most suitable for people who are working, people who don't need to check the market time to time, because as a scalper you need to have concentration, you need to focus, you need to know when to enter, like when to exit. And guys, as you saw, when I'm scalping, you do see on my previous videos, I do post 2 hours later, 3 hours later, 1 minute later, 20 minutes later. That means you must have intense concentration, guys. You must regularly check up and monitor the trade. That means you need to have time. Swing trading doesn't require that. Why? Because you can hold that trade from the bottom to the top. As you saw now, guys, the entry that I've entered before I started this lesson, that means I'll be exposed to overnight risk, and means that if I'm a busy person, I don't need to always look at the market because I know it will take time before it reaches the top, right? So let's continue to the next slide. My opinion is that swing traders must still keep up to date with the latest fundamental and technical changes in the market, even if they are not monitoring the market all the time. Yes, guys, it's very important as a technical swing trader to also focus on fundamentals. If you're trading technically, you have your own setups. After that, you have to make sure you check the fundamentals to see that they do go or align with your setups, because sometimes you can have a bullish setup and then fundamentals become negative, hence forces the market to reject the setup that is currently provided and go on another one. Let's continue. Swing trading tends to involve trading strategies such as trend trading, counter trend trading, and breakout trading. Let me explain to you guys these 3 types of trading methods, which includes swing trading. All right, so what do I mean by trend trading, guys? As you saw before, I showed you, I've been giving an example in terms of trend trading. When the market ranges this manner, saying that we have a bullish setup, this is called a trend trading, guys. You have a trend inside of a trend. It's called trends in trend strategy, guys. This is one of the strategies that is used when you're a swing trader. Like I showed you before, if you're entering a sell from here, you know that you can hold it up until the bottom. When you enter a buy from here, you know you can hold it up until the top. Hence, it's a strategy that is used for swing trading. Now, counter trend trading. Counter trend trading is when you know that you're expecting for a trend to reverse. What are your key indications for counter trend trading? Counter trend trading is a point whereby a trend moves from being a bullish to a bearish,
or moves from being a bearish to a bullish. In this example that I'm giving here, guys, counter trend trading still applies. We do know that we have reached now the support of the trend. Reaching the support of the trend, we're still anticipating now a reverse trend that goes towards the upside, of which at this point here, this is called a counter trend. One of the confirmations of a counter trend could be a double bottom, could be a reverse head and shoulder, a head and shoulder, or a double top. Let me give you guys an example. This is our reverse head and shoulder. All right, we're saying this is a reverse head and shoulder. And then why are we saying this is a counter trend trading strategy? So let's say this market was continuing in this manner, and at this point here, before the market now starts to move into a bullish trend, and what is our confirmation? A reverse head and shoulder, guys. The market basically had enough power to break outside. Now it's coming back to retest to continue pushing into the new trend. Let's say that we have a double top here at the top. How can it be a counter trend trading strategy? Let's say the market, for instance, was ranging in this manner towards the upside, and now it's ranging in this manner towards the downside. We do see that we had a bullish trend here, and then now we are starting to have a bearish trend. We could see that if we are having a double top in an overall, I would say, bullish trend, we would know at this point we are now expecting a bearish trend. All right, we had a bullish movement, we had a double top, a confirmation of a sell. That means we can now expect a selling trend. Now let's go to breakout trading. Let's say, for instance, we have a bearish trend towards the outside. The market is ranging in this manner, and when it gets to this point, it ranges a bit more. This is basically creating enough momentum to break through outside the trend and continue pushing up, guys. This is a breakout strategy, guys. You would see most of the time when the market is about to break out of a trend, it would most likely also create a spike so that it becomes a wick before it breaks outside. These are type of the confirmations in terms of breakout trading strategies. A lot of people confuse breakouts with fakeouts, guys. Be careful. Some breakouts can actually become fakeouts. This can catch you and the market actually continues back in a trend. Acts like as if it was buying, you start entering buys, it goes back down. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the lesson. More videos are coming soon, more uploads are coming, guys. We'll continue providing to our loyal subscribers out there. That is all from me. If it's good, your mentor signing out.